Pre-Englishin ko, Tagalogin mo ah.
Sige!
Kaya mo ba?
Oo naman!
Tara, let's go! My father is the gangsta, grinding in the hasla.
Supot si Papa kaya ulam lagi garrapata.
House wife is my motherfucking gangsta.
Mama ko chismosa ang laki na ng mata.
I don't have a job but I have a lot of money.
Magnanakaw ang pamilya kaya sobrang daming pera.
I'm driving a Ferrari, I'll give you with the free.
Sobrang laki ng iyong ilong, kasya 3 gulong.
Welcome to my vlog, refreshing with my long hair.
Babatiin ko pala ang mga tropa kong kalbo,
Now and soon, with no hairstyle.
na hanggang ngayon walang buhok ang ulo.
Important is the PM is the key.
Importante ay wala kang kuto.
Head and shoulder, free all the minors.
Ang mahalaga, libre ka pa sa shampoo. Woo! Yeah! Eh!
Hey bro, what are you doing?
Bakit? Tagalog naman ah!
Are you kidding me?
Hindi! I'm Tagalog rapper in the world!
Are you crazy man?
Agay!